Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the image and creating a duplicate layer so you don't alter the original. Increase contrast and straighten the text region to improve edge definition. This helps optical character recognition tools read characters. Once done, crop tightly to the text and apply levels or smart sharpen to clarify strokes. Make sure to remove heavy noise with reduce noise filters, because cleaner pixels produce fewer OCR errors. These first actions set the foundation for accurate extraction. Now export a high-quality file. Choose PNG or TIFF at 300 dpi to preserve detail for OCR. Use export as or save as to avoid compression artifacts. JPEG can distort characters. Next, open that file in Acrobat or upload to Google Drive, then select Recognize Text. Alternatively, use a dedicated OCR app if you need language or layout controls. As you run OCR, review options like languages and accuracy settings, because correct configuration reduces manual correction later. After OCR completes, proofread the extracted text carefully. You will find misread characters, line breaks, and punctuation issues. Use Photoshop text layers or a text editor to paste and reflow content and recreate layout with paragraph styles if structure matters. Once finalized, save a copy in your desired format. If text extraction fails or accuracy is poor, make sure to reprocess at a higher DPI, tweak image preprocessing, or switch to another OCR engine. This troubleshooting step usually fixes stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.